We are in Eureka, Utah. Eureka's just a small little town south of where I'm from, about an hour. It's pretty cool because it's kind of this cool, like, run-down vintage town. So it's a cool spot to take photos of the Harleys. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be taking photos of the Harleys, and I'm going to give you guys some tips on motorcycle photography. So my first tip is using a slow shutter speed. A slow shutter speed is going to create motion blur, so you're going to be able to show your viewers that your subject is moving. If your shutter speed is too high, it's not going to look like your subject is moving while on the motorcycle. It's just going to look like they're parked in the middle of the road, kind of like this. So tip number 2 is using a longer focal length. You're going to get more of that motion blur effect or that shutter drag with a longer focal length versus a shorter focal length. Drink break.
Like, it's fast still, but it was nowhere near
Chug,
fast.
chug, chug.
Really? But
chug,
it's way faster
chug,
on the
chug.
top. Like, once I...
Oh, I can't do it. He already spilt. It's like 90 degrees out here. This guy's just slamming tomato juice.
Oh!
So we came over about a mile because we needed a longer stretch of road for this particular shot. It's pretty sick. And the last but most important tip that I have for you is to get out and have fun riding motorcycles and taking photos with your friends. Well, that's it for today's video. Let me know down in the comments if you can apply these tips to your photos, and thanks for watching.